What's going on, everybody? My name is King Senko and I'm here to tell you about my Radar Renegade RT Plus tires. So to begin, nakita naman natin nung kinabit natin tong Radar Renegade RT na to dito sa 1995 Mitsubishi Pajero ko, si Project Tosgas, no? Bukod sa na-achieve natin ng tall and thin setup na matagal na nating binabalak, nagkaroon pa tayo ng mas matibay at mas rugged na set ng goma. At yan ay dahil sa generosity ng ating mga kaibigan mula sa Radar Tires Philippines. Let's establish first the facts. It's an RT Plus tire. Yung RT Plus yung nasa gitna po ng all-terrain na smooth ang rolling niyan at ng mud tires na medyo malalaki na yung blocks niyan. Yung tread ng mga mud terrain tires pang bundok na talaga, di ba? Pang putik para makaahong ka pagka technical ang daraanan mo. However, this in between, actually aaminin ko nung nakita ko siya nung kinakabit pa lang, may judgment na ako sa kanya. Ano yun? Well, I was thinking baka ka ako magaspang yung ride. Baka ka ako maingay at baka stiff, baka naman masyadong harsh yung ride dahil 10 ply ang gulong na ito. If you wanna geek out about the ply rating ng sasakyan, you can Google that, but basically the lesser the ply, mas compliant sa daan. But this, surprisingly, is riding very well. I guess dahil sa timbang ng Mitsubishi Pajero ko, nako-compensate nung 10-ply construction ng Radar Renegade RT Plus. Also, itong video na to originally, tatlo dapat to 1,000 km report, off-road report, at highway report. But, since naantala nga yung paggawa natin ng mga content dito kay Project Tosgas dahil sinabugan ako ng transmission, may mga inayos kami sa engine, medyo napag-isipan namin na i-compress na in one very comprehensive report itong video na to, which is why I'm going to tell you about my experience with it on road, okay?
Your road, you know.
Huh? Sa highway, as you may know, sa trabaho ko, pag nagko-cover tayo ng mga event, pag nag-host tayo ng mga shows and event, I always go out of town. Daraan sa expressway, NLEX, TPLEX, SCTEX, SLEX, or even the Skyway. Madalas tayo dyan. On-road comfort, I would say, is I don't know, hindi ko siya napapansin Set and forget siya. When I say set and forget, syempre, hindi na ako conscious na RT pala yung gulong ko. Tahimik naman siya, you can speak inside the car without raising your voice, makakapagkwentuhan. Kami ni cameraman, ang dalas naming mag-planning ng mga gagawin namin sa loob ng sasakyan habang tumatakbo. Okay lang, hindi namin kinakailangan magtaas ng boses. Yung kaldag sa kalye, yes, dinig namin, pero it's more on the sound deadening ng Pajero ko. Hindi kasalanan ng gulong yun. May konting interruption tayo, no? The man who discovered King Senko is here.
God bless, brother.
What's up, Kuya Dong? Gagawa kami ng user report ng aking Radar Renegade RT.
Radar tires.
Yes. Ikaw, anong gulong gamit mo?
At the moment, wala na ako SUV pero on my bike,
Alright. O siya.
matagal ka naman ang in love sa Pajero
Yeah.
Ikaw ang right person dyan, bro.
Thank you, Kuya
Is
Dong.
this your unit?
Yes. Sa Project Tosgas.
Diesel?
Diesel. Masakit.
Masakit. Pogi.
Alright. Thanks, Kuya Dong.
Yo, coach.
Going back, ilalatag ko lang yung facts ng gulong natin, no. This, well, in short, no, ito po ay isang tall and thin. Some of you may say dun sa mga B-rolls natin, "Oy, King, pasok naman sa fender mo yung yung gulong ng sasakyan mo, parang kinulang sa leg day." Well, that would all make sense pagka nagawa na namin yung plano namin na gawin itong non-flared. Okay? And with that out of the way, ang gulong po na ito ay made in, para sa mga nagtatanong, no? Para lang klaro tayo. But the company is actually from Singapore. This is an LT tire, ibig sabihin for light truck. The dimensions, 235 by 85 R16. Okay? R16 dahil 16 inches po yung ating rim. So with that, yung tall and thin, I think nakakontribute dun sa comfort nung sasakyan. Mas naging magaan siyang i-steer dahil hindi ganun kalaki yung goma na ating contact patch sa kalye at hindi rin ganun kataba yung gulong kaya hindi siya ganun kabigat. Though, I don't know, that cancels out the weight of the rims, I guess, dahil mabigat yung steel rims natin. So, any savings sa weight I mean, is appreciated para dito kay Project Tosgas. So that's on-road, no? Tulad nga na nabanggit ko kanina, set and forget. I don't even remember na, naka-RT nga pala ako. That's just out of the question. Hindi ko na nararamdaman. Komportable siya, in short. The only thing na criticism ko sa kanya for on-road use, kapag umuulan, I would really have to watch my braking pressure dahil may tendency na mag-lock up yung likod dahil walang ABS si Project Tosgas, walang traction control. Pag napadiin ka ng tapak on a very very smooth, wet asphalt, naku po, medyo nagsiskid yung likod. Medyo may fishtail action tayo dyan. But that is easily controllable kung kabisado mo na yung sasakyan. Kung hindi mo na kailangan mag-rely heavily on the traction control and on the ABS, I think you're going to be fine just like I am. Kabisado ko na kasi si Project Tosgas. Yun, you can see with the criticism na hindi tayo dito puro praise para dito sa gulong na to. This is an honest review. This is an honest review from someone who is using the car on a daily basis, umulan, umaraw, on-road, off-road. Speaking of off-road, ang performance nito off-road, hindi ko pa na ma-maximize talaga. Let me be honest with you guys about that. But if you've been following my little shenanigans, no, I've been hosting several events sa motorcycle scene, and some of which are off-road.
Hello, King!
Nadadala natin to sa mga ganito lang, yung para mga fire road, mga hindi sementadong lupa. Pero yung technical, parang ngayong araw ko lang dinala to. Yung mga napapanood yung B-roll ngayon, parang first time ni Tosgas sumabak sa ganyan dahil hindi pa naka-upgrade yung suspension ko, hindi ko pa siya binibira talaga off-road. Nonetheless, with that short test that we did, I could say na palag siya. I mean, I'm not the most hardcore off-roader out there, but I could tell if a tire is crap. I could tell if a tire is just okay for the job. And I think with my use case for my Radar Renegade RT Plus, hindi ko pa nakikita yung mga shortcomings niya pagdating sa off-road. But that is one thing that I'm keen on doing. We're just waiting out the crazy fuel prices, and we shall take Project Tosgas out for an overland trip para naman medyo mas comprehensive yung ating report off-road. Now, tulad nga na nabanggit natin kanina, 1,000 km report originally yung ating plano para kay Tosgas. However, since humaba nga ng humaba due to interruptions, naka 2,800 kilometers na po kami dito sa gulong na to. But if we look at the appearance of the tires physically, no, the treads are still sharp, they still look brand new. May cameo tayo ng konti sa... Actually, tayo yung bisita dito. Taga rito yung asong yan. Let's not mind him. As I was saying, mukha pa rin bago yung gulong after 2,800 kilometers. Yung mga buhok-buhok dito sa sidewall, they are still there. You might ask, saan ang pinakamalayo ng narating ng gulong nito? Well, nagpunta po tayo sa Pangasinan, sa Manawag area, at sa iba't ibang panig ng Pangasinan, no, dala-dala natin to. Tulad nga na nabanggit ko kanina, I'll just tell you again and again na set and forget siya. Hindi ko nararamdaman na magaspang yung gulong. And I think with the tall and thin setup, na-achieve ko pa nga yata yung pinaka-magandang ride quality ni Project Tosgas. Though syempre, may room for improvement pa tayo pagdating sa ride quality dahil hindi pa tayo nag-upgrade ng suspension ni Project Tosgas. To talk more about the physical appearance ng gulong na to, some of you may not know pero dalawa yung face nung gulong, no? As I mentioned earlier, 10-ply, pero yung design, merong ganito. Yan, yung nakalabas kay Tosgas. At yung nasa loob niyan, kung medyo gusto nyo ng medyo show-offy, if that's even a word, yung mga bungo-bungo na nasa sidewall, pwede nyong gamitin yon, pwede nyong ipakita, babalik ka rin lang yung gulong. Voila! Medyo show-off na yung gulong nyo. But for me, I'm fine with this. Sidewall, hindi pa naman ako nagagater, no? Pero I don't think this will be phased by the gutter kung kayo sasayad dun sa bangketa, kumbaga. I can see this pattern dun sa sidewall niya being helpful. Of course, being 10-ply, matatag yan. Hindi basta-basta mapupunit ng mga sidewall niyan. But this pattern right here sa kanyang sidewall, I think would give you the extra grip when you need it the most. Just don't expect it to be as good off-road, I guess, as the mud tires. Pero tulad nga ng sinasabi ng ibang tao, wala yan sa pana. nasa engine yan, nasa nagmamaneho yan. And with enough experience, with enough skill ng isang driver, malayo na ang mararating niya gamit itong Radar Renegade RT Plus. So that's it. I guess that's my report about these tires on-road, off-road, and after 2,800 kilometers of everyday use. I wish I could tell you more, but I don't really wanna base stories ayon lang dun sa mga nabasa ko sa internet, ayon sa mga napanood ko sa YouTube. I really want to experience what I will be reporting to you guys. So I guess with that, ang aabangan na lang natin ay yung overland trip with Project Tosgas para naman magamit natin more extensively off-road itong mga gulong na to. Also, para na rin magkaroon ako ng mas comprehensive report about using this tire on mixed conditions, kumbaga yung off-road, since plano nga natin siya dalhin sa isang overlanding trip. Okay, if you want to learn more about the Radar tires in general for cars, for SUVs, yung mga ganitong light truck, I suggest you visit the link on the comment section or on the description of this video to learn more about these wonderful tires. And if you want to geek out on how we restored Project Tosgas, yung journey namin ng sasakyan na to, click here. Nandito po yung playlist ng restoration natin kay Project Tosgas from day 1 up to now. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, mag-comment kayo anong gulong gamit nyo. If you're not entertained, if you didn't learn anything, I don't know, bash nyo kami, okay lang. With that, this has been King Senko. You drive safe out there.